Yes, seven students. We are on the lesson number 6, Introduction to HTML. Yesterday we learned about how to write tag, how to tag HTML tags. That is B, bold, break. Some are container elements, some are empty elements. Container elements should have on and off, opening and closing tag. Opening, that is you are writing B bold, then it has to be closing tag also. When you are writing bold, it has to be the closing tag also. Okay, these are the container elements. And then empty elements will not have closing tag, only opening tag. Opening tag, that is break. Yeah, breaking through the line, you will go to the next line, that is break. Now HTML attributes. Okay, today we will learn about we learned yesterday HTML attribute also. Font color red, motherland. The motherland will come in the red color. Today we will learn about structure of an HTML document. Structure of an HTML document. Please student, come on the page number 87. Whenever you are learning ICT, you have to open your textbook. Without textbook you will not able to learn. We have to see the structure, we have to see the figures also simultaneously. So open your textbook, page number 87, lesson number 6, Introduction to HTML. Okay, various structure of an HTML document. The various components that makes an HTML document are elements, tags, attributes. Each HTML document starts with an HTML tag. This is this tag, without which you cannot start your HTML document, and ends with closing HTML. You have to close this. This HTML it's a container. It has to be closed. HTML. It has to be closed. HTML, once you are started, it has to be closed. It is the HTML element that defines, a browser will interact with the entire code written between these tags as an HTML document. It is the HTML element that defines document as an HTML file. While you are writing HTML file, it has to be mentioned this opening and closing. Opening and closing. So the browser will understand that this file is HTML file, hypertext markup language. Okay, it is a container element. This element contains only head and the body element. They in turn can contain other elements. A standard HTML document is divided into two distinct sections, head and body. It is divided into head and body. The head provides information about document page, and it's the first element contained inside the HTML element. Head will show you what your web browser, what the page is actually, why people will search your web page, what you are giving. This is head. The first element contained inside the HTML element. The head element is a container element that includes identification and supplementary information about the document. Most of this information not display as no text put inside the head element. It contains the title element. Then we have title element, which specifies that the title of the web page that you are creating. It will show you title, which for what you are creating your web page. For gaming, for if you are giving some information about your country, whatever you are giving, it will the title it will show. You will tell information about my Afghanistan. It will show you. The title will be like this: beautiful Afghanistan. That means if people will click on your title, people will click on your link, they will get the information about the Afghanistan. You may insert some pictures also. Title. Okay, now title. The title element is a container element because it has opening and closing. Title is a container. It has opening and closing. It is not empty. Empty will not have closing. but it has opening and closing, so it is a container element. The title element is a container element because it has an opening and closing tag. In between these tags, the title is written. This title is displayed in the title bar of the browser window. Then we have body. This section contains the main content of the web page, which include the text and graphics. The text enclosed in the body element is displayed on the web page according to the body is empty element, no closing tag. This section contains the main content. Whatever information you are giving about Afghanistan, you will write it here. Body, in this body. Include the text and graphics. Even you can include here graphic pictures of your country. The text enclosed in the body element is displayed on the web page according to the tags and attributes which is respective content in enclosed. Whatever information you are giving about, you will write it here in body. Text and graphics, pictures, text, everything. The sum up, the basic structure of HTML document will be as follows. You have to write HTML. Okay. How to write? See page number 87. Please open everyone page number 87. You will see HTML tag, then head, then title, whatever the title you are giving or your topic, and the head is closed. Now heading is closed. Now main body will come. What is the main body? Main body will come here, and whatever information you are giving, and then main body should be closed, and HTML is closed now. Your information is now stored. You have given head. First you have to write HTML. In that HTML you are giving head. In head you are giving title, whatever the title you want to give. Then you will close this title, and heading is also closed. Heading part is done. Now you are opening main body. In main body you will write whatever the information or picture, whatever you are giving, and then main body is also closed, and the entire HTML, your web browser is closed, web page is closed. Now points to remember while writing HTML code. What are the points to remember while writing HTML code? The tag name. HTML is very simple language, but the following points should be kept in the mind while writing the code of an HTML document. Okay, the tag name and sub attribute names are not case sensitive. Case sensitive means you can write in small letters. You should not. For example, title and title are the same. You can write ABCD like this also. And you can write ABCD in small and capital, both way you can write. Like this. You can write title like this, or you can write title like this. Both the way you can write. Write this and write this. It is not case sensitive. You can write in lowercase or uppercase. Okay. The tag name and attributes name are not case sensitive. For example, title and title are the same. However, this title and this title are the same. As a convention, lowercase is generally used to write the tags in HTML document. Also remember that the values of the attributes may be case sensitive, but the values are case sensitive. There is no relevance of space between tags. There is no space. You should not write any space between you are writing these tags. No space should be given. No space. For example, the following three elements will give the same result. Case sensitive. If you are writing, see here. If you are writing B, that is bold, motherland. And close bold. Okay, this you have written this, no space given. Next, space given. space is given, okay, and closed, bold is closed, so such a big space given. And another way you also write this like this. Here you are writing bold, then you are writing here motherland, and then you are closing this. This three way you can write, there is no difference. If you are writing like this, if you are writing like this, you are writing like this with no without space, you are giving space, and you are writing on next line. However you are writing, the word will come as motherland in a bold. It will give you this result only. This result will come. However, there should be no space before and after or between the tag name, that is between the opening and closing angular brackets in a tag. That means the following statements are incorrect. Now this is okay, this is what you have written is okay, but if you are writing like this, see like this, title, space giving between writing title, the tagging should not be in the space, it is incorrect. This is also incorrect. Here space, here no space, incorrect. This is also incorrect. This is also not allowed. Space between the letters not allowed. Space before writing title, after writing title not allowed. And space you are writing in middle, giving space not allowed. You can write title in a tag, between the tag only. These all things are not allowed. Understood? You will see in the page number 88. Students, please refer your textbook while I am teaching you this. Till today, for today it is enough. Tomorrow we will learn more about HTML elements can be nested, how to nest it and all. Tomorrow we will learn this. Okay, till now, bye students.